Well, after a 4-day trial and 4 hours of deliberations, a jury that was brought here from Nashville today found Justin Johnson guilty of shooting and killing Memphis rapper Young Dolph.
Johnson found guilty on all the charges he faced. He's one of 3 people charged, but the only person on trial this week. Here are the 3 convictions: conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and a convicted felon in possession of a firearm. But he was only sentenced on the first-degree murder charge, and that was to life in prison.
ABC 24's Stephen Pimpo has followed this trial gavel to gavel.
The jury spent about 4 hours deliberating before they delivered their verdict of guilty on all 3 counts. That's conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and being a convicted felon in possession of a firearm. Just the first-degree murder conviction alone means Justin Straight Drop Johnson will spend life in prison for shooting Young Dolph. Now, prosecutors built their case against Johnson on video of him wearing the same clothes as one of the gunmen, cell phone evidence showing his phone near Makita's Cookies during the shooting, and the testimony of the other alleged shooter, Cornelius Smith Jr. Defense attorney Luke Evans questioned why the prosecution did not call Hernandez Govan as a witness so he could corroborate Smith's testimony. Govan is also charged with Young Dolph's murder and is accused of being the mastermind in the shooting after Anthony Mims, a.k.a. Big Jook, put out a $100,000 hit on Young Dolph and members of his record label Paper Route Empire. Deputy DA Paul Hagerman says this has been a difficult trial, especially for Dolph's family. Young Dolph's sister, Carlisa Thornton, told us she hopes this ruling helps people remember all the good her brother accomplished during his life.
They have been patient, and they've been together the whole time, and they small little room they're in before they go in the courtroom. I know this thing's been hard for them, but they've been a unit, and they've been, solid with each other and solid with us.
We will continue to heal and keep Adolph's legacy alive. We ask that the public and the media continue to keep our family in their prayers, as well as continue to respect our privacy.
Defense attorney Luke Evans told us that his client Johnson is devastated and they plan on appealing this verdict. His sentencing is set for November 1st. As for Smith, Hagerman tells us he will have his case moved to November, but will serve prison time as well. When it comes to Govan, Hagerman said in court that he is still a defendant in Young Dolph's murder, so he had his Fifth Amendment right not to testify against himself. At 201 Poplar, I'm Stephen Pimpo.
Just to repeat what Stephen was saying there, the other 2 defendants in this case, Hernandez Govan and Cornelius Smith, still face charges. When Smith took the stand against Johnson, he admitted to the killing. He claimed he and Johnson were offered money for the hit by Govan and from rapper Yo Gotti's younger brother. As for Govan, he was expected to take the stand, but he did not testify. The DA's office says both of those cases are going to be reset.